You want to do the intro?
Get it down.
Hey guys, in this quick video we're going to be replacing the fuel filter on this LBZ. The part number for this, I got an AC Delco. It's TP3018. It's about 50 bucks at AutoZone. If you order on Amazon, it's $20 cheaper. What you're going to want to do, there's some tabs holding this wheel well cover on. There's two 10mm bolts over here. Take those off and then you'll be able to slide this down. That's the fuel filter right there. Kind of tricky to get out from the top, so that's why you have to take this down.
You can do it.
Second step, unplug this water sensor right here. We're going to use a strap wrench to get around it. Just the bottom of it. After that, you should be able to get it by hand. You're going to use channel locks to get the water sensor off the old filter to put it on the new one. You're going to want to grease this new O-ring when you put it on the new filter, because when you go to put it in, sometimes if you don't grease it, they fall out. It's kind of a pain in the butt, so that's what we're going to do right now. Got the O-ring greased, got some diesel fuel in the filter. Now you're just going to put it in. There's one more step.
One more step, you gotta prime it. Loosen up the bleeder screw, and then you pump it till you get the air bubbles up.
Alright, we are ready for the first start. Sweet. And then what you can do, go to fuel filter life, hold down the enter key, and there you go. 100%. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like button, smash that subscribe button to stay tuned for more content just like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.